Hi! So I'd like to start with this interesting upgraded angle grinder handle. So it looks sort of usual, doesn't seem like anything special, right? But check this out. You now can use this thing with a drill stand. Not bad for an angle grinder, huh? But the coolest thing is that it can be a drop saw too. So that means you can easily do cross cuts at different angles. And if you use a wood cutting blade, you can cut some wood. And that's not all. It is in fact a fine piece of drilling machine with adjustable angle and tilt. So basically, it's what you want it to be. It's even a bloody router. And this is a trestle. So the cool thing about it is that it morphs into a working surface should you need to. I think it's a fine piece of work that definitely deserves some attention. If your bathroom is tiny, that doesn't mean it has to have a tiny bath. How would you feel if I told you that you could make a dream bath out of styrofoam? This one's exclusive, I tell you. First, you fix up a styrofoam model. Then you plaster the whole thing using the wire mesh. And don't forget about waterproofing. So you can finish it up by covering it in tile. This one looks okay. Usually, people find ways to make things out of washing machine motors, but there are plenty of ways that you can make use of the drum too, like a barbecue for example. It's gonna have a nice stack effect as well, since there are plenty holes in there. And if you carve out an opening like that, then you can put coal in it without even removing the lattice. And here's an interesting bearing remover solution. What you'll need to make one of those is a piece of pipe through which you'll have to cut out a few holes. So what you do is you weld in a nut in here, fix up a screw, and at the bottom you should leave a slot for a shaft. Also you'll need to take off the bearing. And here's a nice ladder. Looks good, fairly functional. What's not to like? Okay, and so lastly, here's yet another clamp, which I showed you plenty already. Right, thanks for watching. I hope you found something useful today. If you did, press the like button and subscribe. We'll see you next time.